the script says that, and this is made out of the usual.
So this is the entire Ayodhya temple as completed by Shanti, and you can see inside there are the lights and all the columns.
All the columns, and which straight you can go inside the dome also, where the Ram Lalla is there.
And here is the airport at Ayodhya and the various hotels there.
And this time, the backdrop is done with the help of AI. My son just made
And
it.
the backdrop image has
and the
been done
images.
by AI, by Shanti's son.
And this is like a forest look, you know, if you go deeper, if you take that, just it looks like as though it is going in the forest. And this is the Sarayu River, and that is the Indian Ocean. So that's how it is.
So on one side of the Sarayu river you can see the modern Ayodhya, and on the other side is the Ayodhya which was 10,000 years ago. And this is the original Ayodhya temple. And she has made all the scenes from the Ramayana so painstakingly and so beautifully. This is the court of Raja Dashrath. This is the daily life, and this is the Gurukula.
Gurukula.
The Gurukul of
Also,
where
and, Vishwamitra, when he is doing the
Yagya. So that's Vishwamitra, and he's doing the Yagya. This is where Ram and his brothers came here for their studies. And behind it is Mithila, where you can see the bow which Rama broke, the Shiva bow. And right next to it is the place where Ram got married to Sita, as well as his brothers got married too. And then you can see further down, is the village where
the forest,
the
Panchavati. and
Panchavati, where
And
Ram, Sita and Lakshman stayed during the exile.
Yeah.
And when you move further down, you can, and in fact even if you were to zoom in, I can share pictures later, you can see that Ravan is there from the little hut from where Ravan kidnapped Sita. And then Shanti has made a flying chariot on which Ravan has taken away Sita. And then Ram takes the help of Hanuman to find out where Sita is, and he takes a flight path across the ocean and comes to Ravan's court. This is Ravan's court. You can see Ravan there with his 10 heads, and because there Hanuman was not treated with respect. However, Hanuman found Sita in the little grove and told her all about Ram and gave her a ring. And from there, because of his anger towards Ravan, he burnt the entire Lanka down. Then further on, you can also see the Ram Setu. Each of the stones has got Ram written on it. And here is the war scene where the battle took place. And further down, you can see where Lakshman got hurt and Hanuman drinking the Sanjeevani booty. So Shanti, you say that how long did it take you to do this?
It's actually June 10th I started. I just remember the date. By August 18th or something, the Ayodhya temple is finished. Some things I have recycled, and some things we just modified, like with the modern houses, huts to the olden days.
Right.
So that was all this thing. And as usual, the painting and other things was taken. So totally 2.5 months.
It's a lot of effort.
Lot of effort.
With all your other activities.
Yeah, other activities, like not only this, 2.5 to 3 months I should say, like everything.
This is amazing, Shanti. What a wonderful endeavor, and so generous of you to share it with everybody you come in touch with.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And
for
also,
sharing.
see, this is the way we can, the next generation learn about our culture and about our values. That is our main aim to do all this. It's not only to invite our friends and this, but our culture, our traditions should pass on to the younger generation. So I invited some of the Bal Muktas, or around 50 children came on Saturday.
Right.
And they were singing bhajans and they were very happy.
How
That is the very, satisfying thing.
And I know that this is not the end because you also have other things. You have the
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
actual Golu
Yeah,
installation.
actual Golu installation. Yes. This is my rangoli, which every year I change. I try to do something different. So this time my theme is Ramayana, but this rangoli is Garuda Vahana Narayana. This is called Garuda's vehicle of Narayana and Lakshmi Narayana. But I just added Hanuman and Angada for the Ramayana effect. That's right. So this is done in a plywood, and I just use some real jewelry for that to stick to give an effect.
Hello.
Very beautiful, Shanti.
And that is one more rangoli which usually we do with the colors. And this is our traditional South Indian golu. Golu means in steps. So that is called golu, and which we keep it. And this only we offer prasad or anything. That is an optional. The theme what I do is not like a
Have
must
to.
do or have to. That is my passion, patience, whatever you call it as. But this is the tradition carrying out by all the people and pass it on to other next.
Very
generations.
beautiful. And you've got how many tiers do you
Nine,
have?
nine.
Nine tiers. And
9 or 11, 7, like that only. You
Okay,
can't
odd
just have
numbers.
Odd numbers. And it should be, the colorsum should be in there, that reach. And we have to have that Marapachi wooden dolls, which I decorated there in the third step.
I see.
Doesn't
On the
look like
third-
a wooden.
yeah. And if you see the little Tanjore painting, the long Tanjore, I think that is also done by you, Shanti.
Yeah, yes.
So you're
All that.
very multi-talented, multi-skilled,
No.
and
I
generous to a fault.
Interested in art, and this is the temple in South India, which everybody knows is a place called Kanchipuram. It's a city called Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, which is famous for saris, but it is also famous for the temples. That is Varadaraja temple here, and where every year in February there is a Utsavam called Garuda. Perumal will be there on Garuda, so that I made it here. And there is a small Agraharam where all the priests and everybody stays there. That has been for so many generations, they have been there.
So
And all
thanks to
the
you,
vendors.
Shanti. Today, this year, I had the pleasure of visiting this
Ah,
temple.
Thank you. Okay, that's nice. This is all the vendors. They are selling the vegetables and the typical, the shoe repair and all.
Yeah.
Now we are not finding that much, but yes. And the traditional marriage happening, how the banana leaf food is offered and during the weddings, South Indian weddings, and that is there. And
Very
this is
nice.
also a very traditional dance.
This is the dance.
Yeah, the Karagatam we say, that they will be with something on the head and Poikwal Gudri. They will be on the horse and then dancing.
Very nice, Shanti.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing with all of us.
Thank you, Poonam. It's like every year it become like a tradition. You also taking the video and a lot of people enjoy, and wherever I meet, I say I know about you. I've seen Poonam's video. We like to come, so I said okay, come sometime. So
No, it is worth watching and learning, as well as learning about the tradition
Yes.
and our ancient texts. And it doesn't end here, right, Shanti?
no,
Because
I
then
mean-
you treat us to a wonderful meal as well.
yes. Every day with different meals.
Thank you. Thank you, Shanti. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.